How do we improve a company through systemic design? In this case, we focus on one of the largest companies in Greece in terms of wood-related products, among which are pellets and briquettes. The company is an industrial frontrunner in the sector. Established in Katonevrokopi, the region was chosen only considering the short distance from the border with northern countries, even though there's more to it that could potentially improve the operation of the facility. Our first step was to develop some basic criteria to approach the project. To carry out an analysis that considered every aspect of the system, we decided to take these four guidelines: environmental, social, infrastructural, and economic. Using these concepts, we identified the main production processes carried out by the company, and after that, framed all their corporate aspects. Then we evaluated the general setting, seeing how the operation fit logistically within the region and then on a national and international scale. Through SWOT analysis, we established all the variables that the project had to consider in every guideline in order to set a baseline as to what the focus of the systemic approach to the company could be, and effectively develop the best possible solutions. We discussed and then sketched a general matrix of the system that in a nutshell listed every potential risk or peril the company could face. The high dependence on international suppliers and therefore the limited supply chain, and the poor connection with the local context were pinpointed as the main stages of intervention. We condensed the results of the matrix into four challenges to tackle: diversifying the supply chain with a kilometer zero approach, strengthening the link between the company and the territory, reusing the production outputs as new inputs, and promoting the use of bioenergy technology in the region. After brainstorming possible solutions as our opportunities, we designed three phases to implement in the current system. In order to stop depending on external suppliers, the supply chain is diversified, introducing new inputs that come from strategic alliances by creating a recollection and transportation network in the region, giving the company a stronger local connection, reducing the risk of running out of raw materials for production, and establishing a new self-use pellet product which does not require new machinery. In the second phase, we also diversify the inputs by including agricultural waste in the supply chain, allowing the company to adapt, remain active in the production, and establish new value-added relationships with other local stakeholders by including this sector. Once the first two stages are completed and relationships with the municipalities and the administrative environment have emerged, a culture for bioenergy should emerge in the Drama region, creating self-awareness of renewable technologies, consolidating a regional unity towards this sector, and positioning the region as a center of influence first at the national and then at the European level. All this with the company as the leading promoter of the Super Drama Bioenergy Hub. The new company system, then, is one that remains completely functional, but takes advantage of the potential its setting offers, and has a more solid productive structure. This is not the end, though. Our goal is to allow the system to improve consistently, developing a sense of aliveness within itself. That's all for today. Have a systemic day.